Welcome to Next Level. Let's practice your English listening today in just a few minutes. Today's story, Level B1. Listen carefully, try to understand as much as you can, and don't worry if you don't get everything the first time. Let's go to the next level together. Story, The Unexpected Opportunity. James had always dreamed of working in the tech industry, but life had taken him on a different path. For years, he worked as a graphic designer at a small local company, enjoying the creative side of his job, but feeling that something was missing. He wanted more challenge, more excitement, and a chance to grow professionally. One day, while scrolling through his email during lunch break, James noticed a message from a company he had admired for a long time, Tech Solutions. The email announced a competition to find fresh talent for their new software development team. The winner would receive a 6-month internship and a chance for a full-time position. James was surprised. Coding wasn't his primary skill, but he had always been interested in learning. He thought about entering the competition but felt unsure. "I'm not a programmer," he told himself. "Maybe it's better to stay where I'm comfortable." But something inside pushed him to take a chance. He decided to sign up. Over the next few weeks, James dedicated his evenings to learning programming basics. He watched tutorials, read articles, and practiced coding exercises. It wasn't easy, but he enjoyed the process. The day of the competition arrived. James logged into the online platform ready to complete the coding challenges. The tasks were difficult, testing logic, problem-solving, and creativity. He took his time, carefully thinking through each problem. After submitting his work, James felt a mix of relief and anxiety. He wasn't sure how well he had done, but he was proud of himself for trying. A week later, he received another email from Tech Solutions. His heart raced as he opened it. "Congratulations, James. You have been selected as one of the finalists." The message invited him to an in-person interview and a practical test. James prepared thoroughly, reviewing his notes and practicing coding problems. On the interview day, he dressed smartly and arrived early. The interview panel asked about his background, motivation, and problem-solving approach. James spoke honestly about his journey and passion for learning. The practical test was challenging, but he stayed calm and focused. A few days later, James received the final good news. He had won the internship. He was thrilled and immediately called his family to share the excitement. The internship started the following month. James was introduced to his team, a group of friendly and talented developers. He was assigned a mentor, Anna, who guided him through projects and encouraged his growth. James worked hard, learning new programming languages, attending workshops, and collaborating on real software products. He made mistakes but always asked questions and sought feedback. As the months passed, James's confidence and skills grew. He contributed valuable ideas and helped solve complex problems. His teammates appreciated his dedication and positive attitude. One afternoon, Anna called him into her office. "James, your progress has been impressive. We'd like to offer you a full-time position after your internship ends. How do you feel about that?" James smiled broadly. "I'm looking forward to it. This opportunity means so much to me." After completing the internship, James officially joined Tech Solutions as a junior developer. His life changed significantly. He felt fulfilled, challenged, and excited about the future. James continued to set goals, learn new technologies, and grow in his career. He often thought back to the moment he decided to take a chance and enter the competition. That decision had opened doors he never imagined. He learned that sometimes the unexpected opportunities are the ones that lead us to the next level. Let's remember, "I'm looking forward to" means I'm excited about something that will happen. Great job today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and you will reach the next level. If you liked this practice, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and come back tomorrow to keep improving your English. See you next time.